Knocker-upper. Weird jobs in history. Before cheap and reliable alarm clocks were widely available, people relied on knocker-ups or knocker-uppers to wake them up. This was a human alarm clock who would knock on the top window until the worker would awaken. Because of the demands of industrialization in the 19th century, they could start waking people up as early as 3 a.m. in the morning. The device they used was a long pole, often made from bamboo, with a piece of wire or a small knob on the end. The knocker-upper could also use the stick as a snuffer outer to extinguish gas lamps. They might also use a pea shooter to shoot peas at the occupant's window. The reason they tapped on the worker's bedroom window directly was because knocking on the door would wake up every single person inside. For this job, the client would pay the knocker-up a few pence per week, and if they didn't pay up, they would be left to dream on and miss their shift. The role of the knocker-upper was mainly done by elderly men and women. During the Industrial Revolution, the knocker-upper was a valued job. Their clients were often people who worked in mills or factories. These mills and factories had strict timekeeping rules, and if a worker was late, they could be fined or even be locked out and not be paid their wages for the day. Repeatedly turning up late could end up in dismissal. The knocker-upper was born out of the Industrial Revolution in the 19th century and shows how workers needed to become punctual and how timetables were becoming more rigorous. Surprisingly, the knocker-upper continued in some places well into the 20th century and as late as the 1970s. But with the invention of the alarm clock, this is a trade now long lost to time.
Subscribe for more history videos.